straight shot, nataka niongee kwa niaba ya watu wa bodaboda, cause I'm one of them. There's this story trending right now about you've ordered something and you wanted it delivered. You've shared your location and you don't want to be called again once you've shared your PIN. Now, yes, you've sent your location to the person selling an item for you. Now, I'm the rider. The shopkeeper or the seller doesn't know anything to do with delivery charges, delivery fees, and delivery in the location and all that. He will have to share the location with me. I'll check it. I have to give you a call to tell you the amount I'm charging. Okay, let's be clear here. Umemtumia mwenye amekuuzia lokesheni, yeye ajui chochote na pikipiki ama baiskeli ama anything or the charges, so yeye anafaa nitumie mimi kama rider hiyo lokesheni, niangalie nione ni distance flani, I need to charge this. So mama, baba, I have to call you as a rider nikwambie nimeona location, mimi ndio rider, nitakucharge pesa flani, because I'm that kind of a rider who I'll have to I'll give you the price before nitoke. So if you're okay with it, ndio nikuje. If you're not okay with it, because umetuma location, fine, nikuje blindly and then nifike nikwambie, uniulize how much, nikwambie 300 and you never expected that. Italeta confrontation. So mama, you bought a phone, upigiwe simu. Acha upigiwe simu, kwani is it bad kupigiwa simu jamani? Then why are you having the phone? Okay, utume location and then sometimes they are not accurate. So umetuma, mimi nafika penye location imenifikisha, nimepotea. Okay, who do I have to call? The shop owner or you? Hello, you bought that phone, upigiwe simu. If you never wanted to be called, then hello, chana na simu, tupa sim card bali. Hello, we'll have to call you whether you like it or not.